Hindi ya muthi wa kuririkania muingi bata wa gukorwo na kioro micii-ini ona kana mawira-ini mao, Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugite nginyagia riu kuri na gicunji kia Akenya gitari na cioro. Ni undu woguo muingi ta uyu wikoraga hatika-ini ya gute giko kiao o haria makorerera, kuria maai ma mbura macokaga gukua giko giki na gutukana na maai ma kunyua, macungiriro ari mututhuko wa mirimu ya kuharwo.
Only one county in Kenya has reached open defecation-free status, and that's Busia County.
Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni irutite mukana kuri matereba na makiria a thabari ndaya aria maigaga athii mukira-ini wa barabara gwiteithia, makiuga giko giki ni kihumo kinene kia mirimu itiganite.
Equally, the banks, the malls, the schools, the hospitals, the petrol stations, they are under obligation to provide some sanitary facilities for use of their customers. They are not doing them a favor.
Eliminating open defecation would require less than 12,000 latrines to be built and be used in Nakuru County at the cost of Kenya shillings 420 million.
Na kuo mwena wa Meru no taguo maundu maikaire, ona gutuika mirimo ya kuharwo ni thiete thi kuma gicunji gia 14 hari igana o nginyagia 5, aikari matire marakinyaniria ikiro iria ciagiriire cia kuiga utheru na makiria gwakinya ni uhuthiri wa cioro.
I'm glad to announce that we are now ranked at position 26, up from position 43 in the last sanitation report.
Thirikari ni ikoretwo ikihuthira mbeca nyingi hari kurigita mituthuko ya mirimu iria yumanite na giko, gukiringithanio na muigana uria ungiendekana hari kwenja na gwaka cioro.
Let us collectively take the responsibility and initiative of encouraging our good neighbors to dig and use pit latrines. Remember, if your neighbor lacks one, you are also at risk.
Ministry no ni guthie na mbere na gutuiria micii iria itari na cioro o undu umwe na mikawa, macukuru, mathoko o undu umwe na mathibitari guku magithitanga aria manyitwo matari na cioro. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.